We started part 2 off by getting caught in a hailstorm. We could tell there was a storm off in the distance. We thought we could handle rain just fine, but the hail surprised us. The part you don't see here is us scrambling under a makeshift shelter that we quickly threw together so we could wait out the storm. We learned from experience to always carry a tarp, or something we could make a shelter out of in cases like this. But we did make a note to be sure to purchase a roof for the Razor. Too bad Amazon doesn't deliver to the forest yet. The storm didn't last long, and we were on our way again. We ran into a lot of different types of trails on this trip. Once we came through an open field and a herd of sheep crossed the trail. That's one thing about off-roading. You're able to see things you won't see on the regular highways or roads. That's one of the things I like about it. It felt like we were climbing for a long time here, and I think we were.
Drivers here. Dan is now the visual pilot of the Razor.
You might think this is an easy little puddle to cross. At least that's what we thought. And we're stuck. But not for long. We were able to get ourselves out. We took a lot of photos from the cabin. The scenery was beautiful. We also took some photos on the trail. I think this is the last trip back to the cabin. We're almost done.
Final installment of our guide trip.
2015
Meeker.
Well, Meeker's kind of a misnomer. We traveled through Meeker, once coming in and once coming out now.
Yeah, so we should just call it really what it is. What's this place called?
The Thunderbird Lodge.
Thunderbird Lodge.
Yeah, in Beaufort, Colorado. We had a good trip, got a lot of good rides in, all the machines stayed working for the most part, no mechanical problems, just one guy had a little problem with his frame or his bumper on his machine, but that was a minor problem. The weather held out for us.
Yeah, we had good weather. Yesterday we actually looked out and did not get into any rain. We saw it, it was around us.
The roads were wet, it was even in front of us.
So, but yeah, we had a good day yesterday and got back early. Alright, not necessarily early, but we got back and we got everything done early.
Yeah, we
had a nice evening.
Yeah, maybe because we had leftovers last night. The dinner went really quick.
Yeah, dinner went
kind of
quick.
fixed their own. Got a lot of good corn bags.
It was close on reach. But yeah, we're gonna miss this place.
Yeah, everyone said that it would be a good place to come back to again. I think we were really just kind of. I don't think we covered half the trails here.
No, I think we got a few more trails that we can hit.
Yeah.
We could do more loops, more of the offshoots of them. We did an out and back one day. We could have really on that day hit a lot of the other little trails out there. But, and it could be 2-3 of them because there was a few moths around here.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes
were thick. I think it's probably because it's a really moist year. Lots of flies, lots of mosquitoes, but it has a good bug spray that kept us safe and sound.
Yeah. And as far as I can tell, no one's got West Nile.
Not yet.
But, this is the final turn, getting ready to get onto the
paved road,
and that means that it's like paved to me.
Yeah, we're done.
So now we're off.
We're done with dirt for 2015.
And now, speaking of done with dirt, we're done with this video.
I agree.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like our channel, please subscribe.